Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome back to Custom to Venture. Hope you are doing good, just like I'm good here. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate all of you. For every returning subscriber, I appreciate you. And those ones that are coming across my video today, I want to say big welcome to you. God bless you. You are in the right place. Okay, each time you watch, if you have been watching my video and you are yet to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe, and let's keep the ministry going forward. God bless you. Okay, today I'll be putting on how to drape a pencil skirt with belt holder. This is a designer belt. Yes, I've have pencil skirts on the channel, but this one, and of course there's drape skirt, but this one I'll be using this hook to design it. Okay, so it's assumed that my skirt has been cut. This is the shape of the skirt. If you're on my live sometimes, maybe some 2 days ago, it was when we cut this. So I want to put the finishing touches to it. Okay, this is everything about pencil skirt is on the channel. I will be dropping the link below. Okay, so then I'll be using this piece to drape it. Like I said, just start from the side of the hip, and then I think about six inches different length is okay. That should be okay. Yes, I use 6 here. So you gather your piece of cloth. If you like, you can change color. You can use another one to design it, but I'm using the black one now. Okay, so you just pleat it. You can pleat it, so you don't join until you have put your drape. Okay, so I pleated my pleatings here before I join this side. I just don't want to make this video long. That's why I'm starting from this way. If you are yet to know how to cut pencil skirt, you can get it on my channel here. Very straightforward, very simple, actually beginner friendly. Okay, so of course I taped the end here, then pleated it. So having pleated it, don't let this your edges come out. Okay, so I pleated it here. If you like, you can just run gather stitch there. The choice is yours. So now when you are putting your drape, make sure it's excess, so that in case, to be on the safe side, make sure it's in excess. So the next thing I'm going to do is just be careful with your pleatings, because we'll be putting inside this drape now. This hook, look at the way I put it from down. Then here this way. You are good to go. So you follow your pleatings. Give it very good ironing. Okay, and then either way you want to go. If you want to make it straight like this, too good. If you want to give it a little slant, so it's not just too straight, the choice is yours. Okay, so what is the next thing? I make sure I set my pleatings. So I secure it with pin here before I eventually sew it. Okay, it's only one side of the skirt you are going to pin. This side is going to be, so I'll be stitching this. This side is going to come, so I will go to the machine, stitch it together, and then your drape skirts, the belt holder is there.